What if you could add years to your dog's life, not through magic, but through revolutionary science available right now? The way we care for our dogs is changing, and if you're not prepared, you could be leaving their well-being to chance. For centuries, our bond with dogs has evolved, but never before have we stood on the precipice of such a profound shift in canine health. We're talking about a future where an ounce of prevention isn't just a saying, it's a meticulously crafted strategy designed to extend the vibrant, playful years of our furry family members. By 2026, the landscape of preventative pet care isn't just evolving, it's undergoing a complete transformation. We're moving beyond reactive veterinary visits to a proactive philosophy, arming pet parents with tools to ensure their companions don't just live, but truly thrive. This isn't about chasing fleeting fads, it's about embracing scientifically backed advancements that are becoming the new standard for a longer, healthier, and happier life for every dog. Get ready to discover how you can future-proof your dog's health today, starting with their very foundation. Think back a decade or two. A dog got sick, you took them to the vet, they got treated. Simple, right? But what if we could predict illness, or even better, prevent it before it ever took hold? That's the core of the revolution. We're not just treating symptoms anymore. We're understanding the intricate biological symphony happening inside our dogs and learning to fine-tune it for peak performance. The biggest challenge for many dog owners right now is simply knowing where to start in this new, rapidly advancing world of canine health. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information, wondering which trends are genuine breakthroughs and which are just noise. The real problem is the gap between cutting-edge veterinary science and everyday pet parenting. How do you, the loving owner, access these strategies and translate them into actionable steps for your dog's unique needs? The journey into future-proofing often begins where life itself does, the gut. For years, we've heard about the importance of a balanced diet, but by 2026, our understanding of the canine microbiome, that bustling inner world of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms living in your dog's digestive tract, has absolutely exploded. What once felt like a vague concept is now recognized as the true cornerstone of overall well-being. Imagine a tiny rainforest thriving within your dog, responsible for everything from nutrient absorption to immune function. When that ecosystem is out of whack, problems ripple throughout the entire body. Today, personalized nutrition plans are becoming commonplace, moving far beyond generic kibble recommendations. Vets are no longer just asking what brand of food you feed. They're utilizing advanced stool analysis, much like human gastroenterologists, to get a precise blueprint of your dog's gut flora. This isn't just about identifying bad bacteria, it's about understanding the balance, diversity, and function of the entire microbial community. It allows veterinarians to spot imbalances that could lead to allergies, inflammatory bowel disease, or even behavioral issues down the line. Even more groundbreaking is the routine use of genetic testing. Just as humans can get DNA tests to understand their predispositions, dog owners can now use genetic profiles to tailor diets specifically to their dog's breed, sensitivities, and metabolic needs. Does your retriever have a predisposition to certain joint issues? Is your pug prone to weight gain? Genetic testing provides the roadmap, and your vet, armed with this data, can craft a diet that doesn't just nourish, but actively prevents potential problems. Alongside this, probiotics and prebiotics are moving from niche supplements to routine staples. Probiotics, the beneficial live bacteria, and prebiotics, the food that helps them grow, are essential for maintaining that delicate gut balance. And for more severe cases of dysbiosis, an imbalance in the gut microbiome, fecal transplants are no longer a veterinary rarity. They're becoming a routinely used, highly effective method for completely resetting and optimizing a dog's gut health, restoring a healthy microbial population from a donor. The benefits here are monumental. By focusing on gut health, we minimize chronic inflammation, boost the immune system's ability to fight off illness, and significantly reduce the risk of chronic diseases like allergies, obesity, and even certain cancers. It's like giving your dog an internal shield built from the inside out. If gut health is the foundation, then early disease detection is the vigilant watchtower, constantly scanning the horizon for any potential threats. The days of waiting for obvious symptoms before visiting the vet are rapidly becoming a thing of the past. By 2026, regular checkups incorporate cutting-edge diagnostic tools that would have seemed like science fiction just a few years ago. Picture this: your dog's annual checkup isn't just a quick jab and a pat on the head. It now includes readily available miniaturized, non-invasive blood tests. These aren't your typical panels. These tests are designed to detect early biomarkers, tiny chemical signals that indicate the very first whispers of serious conditions like cancer, kidney disease, heart issues, and other ailments, often long before any outward symptoms appear. This early warning system gives vets and owners a crucial head start, allowing for interventions when treatments are most effective and least invasive. It's like catching a tiny spark before it becomes a wildfire. But detection isn't confined to the clinic. Continuous monitoring is now moving into your home thanks to smart collars and advanced wearable technology. These aren't just fancy trackers, they're sophisticated health hubs. Imagine a collar that silently monitors your dog's vital signs: heart rate, respiration rate, activity levels, sleep patterns, even subtle changes in their gait. This isn't guesswork, this is real-time, objective data. If your dog's sleep patterns suddenly shift, or their heart rate shows an unusual spike during rest, the collar, often linked to an app, can alert you. This valuable data provides an ongoing stream of information that allows for proactive intervention, sometimes even before you notice anything amiss. And who's making sense of all this data? Artificial intelligence. AI-powered analysis is becoming indispensable, sifting through the vast amounts of information collected from wearables and diagnostic tests to identify subtle health changes that even the most experienced veterinarian might miss. AI can spot patterns, correlate data points, and flag potential issues, enabling even earlier treatment and dramatically improving outcomes. It's like having a team of invisible experts constantly analyzing your dog's health, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Building on the insights from genetics and diagnostics, precision medicine is truly revolutionizing treatment approaches. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about understanding your dog's unique biological makeup and tailoring interventions with unparalleled accuracy. It's the ultimate customization for health. Genetic testing, which we discussed for nutrition, also plays a pivotal role here. By identifying predispositions to specific diseases, for instance, certain breeds might be genetically wired for particular types of cancer or autoimmune conditions, veterinarians can implement targeted preventative measures. This means your vet isn't just waiting for a disease to manifest. They're actively working to block its path before it even begins. A prime example of this is personalized immunotherapy for at-risk dogs. If genetic markers indicate a higher risk for a specific cancer, veterinarians can now administer immunotherapies designed to prime the dog's own immune system to identify and destroy cancerous cells at their earliest stages, effectively building a biological defense system. Think of it as a highly specific vaccine against potential disease, tailored just for your dog. Similarly, targeted drug therapies are emerging for specific conditions, moving away from broad-spectrum medications that might have widespread side effects. These new drugs are engineered to act on very specific biological pathways or cells involved in a disease, minimizing collateral damage and maximizing effectiveness. The benefits are clear: minimize side effects because treatments are so precise, and a far greater chance of successful outcomes, leading to a better quality of life for your dog. While cutting-edge science drives much of this revolution, there's also a powerful and growing momentum in integrating holistic therapies with conventional medicine. This isn't about choosing one over the other. It's about creating a comprehensive, synergistic approach to well-being that addresses the whole animal. Acupuncture, for example, once seen as an alternative therapy, is now routinely used by many veterinarians to manage chronic pain, reduce inflammation, and improve mobility, especially in older dogs or those recovering from injury. Likewise, chiropractic care can correct spinal misalignments that impact nerve function and overall comfort. Herbal remedies, carefully selected and prescribed by a vet, are increasingly employed to support organ function, calm anxiety, or provide anti-inflammatory effects, often with fewer side effects than traditional pharmaceuticals. These therapies aren't replacing life-saving medications, but are working alongside them, enhancing their effectiveness and improving a dog's comfort and vitality. Beyond specific treatments, the focus is increasingly on supporting overall well-being through a balanced lifestyle. This includes personalized recommendations for regular exercise, tailored to your dog's age, breed, and health status, not just a generic walk around the block. Mental stimulation, often overlooked, is now recognized as crucial. Interactive toys, puzzle feeders, training, and enrichment activities are vital for preventing boredom and cognitive decline. And finally, stress reduction techniques. Whether it's through environmental management, calming supplements, or even specialized training, are acknowledged as essential components of preventative care, recognizing that stress can have a profound impact on physical health. This integrative approach acknowledges that a dog's health is not just about the absence of disease, but the presence of physical and mental flourishing. At the heart of this transformative shift is the empowered pet owner. The future of canine health isn't just in the hands of veterinarians, it's in your hands. Pet owners are no longer passive recipients of veterinary advice. They are active, informed participants in their dog's well-being. Veterinarians are stepping up as educators, providing comprehensive preventative care education that goes far beyond a simple annual checkup. They're discussing the nuances of personalized nutrition, the importance of specific exercise routines for your dog's breed, and how to spot the subtle early signs of disease. They're teaching you how to interpret the data from smart collars and what questions to ask when discussing genetic test results. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions and advocate effectively for your dog. Supporting this education are sophisticated online platforms and mobile apps that offer personalized health recommendations tailored specifically for your dog. These aren't generic articles. They might suggest specific exercise modifications based on your dog's daily activity levels from their smart collar, recommend dietary adjustments based on their latest gut microbiome analysis, or even send reminders for preventive treatments and upcoming vet appointments. These digital tools serve as your personal pet health assistant, making it easier than ever to stay on top of your dog's care. Ultimately, this fosters a truly proactive approach to canine health, transforming owners into integral partners in their dog's wellness journey. You become the first line of defense, equipped with knowledge and technology to observe, understand, and act. By embracing these 2026 trending preventative care strategies, you're not just ensuring a healthier, happier future for your beloved companion. You're building a foundation for a longer, more joyful life together. It's a commitment to vitality, a dedication to preventing illness before it takes hold, and the ultimate expression of love for your furry family member. This isn't just about avoiding problems. It's about maximizing every moment of healthy, happy life with your dog. Don't let your dog miss out on these life-changing advancements. Click this video next to learn more.